Centene Summer Intern Experience empowers students to provide a meaningful impact at a company recognized as the leader in managed care and find their purpose at work. Just like Centene's nearly 70,000 employees, our interns serve in diverse roles from IT and data analytics to clinical programs and member-facing services. Whether based at our headquarters in St. Louis or at one of our health plans or specialty companies around the country, our interns make a difference in the communities that they serve. While our 2021 internships were virtual due to COVID-19, our interns still received a full experience based on our 3 key areas of focus: networking, development, and hands-on experience through signature projects.
My favorite part about this internship has definitely been all the people that I've met so far.
A lot of individuals at Centene are more than willing to meet one-on-one with interns.
Which has been a really great way to learn about all the different moving parts within Centene.
We have these intern meetings where we just talk to other interns and just hang out at Zoom for 30 minutes.
I get to talk with people and get to know them while collaborating with them in these environments to solve problems and do something impactful.
Centene University provides continuous learning and development opportunities for all employees and our interns through several programs and resources. Our personalized learning experience offers over 10,000 virtual courses on topics such as leadership, technology, mentoring, and career development.
Centene University is like a wealth of information right at my fingertips.
I have learned a lot about how to manage a good work-life balance.
I've learned a lot from Centene University on how to work and how to work efficiently from home.
There's just seeming an infinite number of different types of learning and types of things you can look at there to develop both professionally and personally.
Throughout my experience so far, it is definitely real work.
That's something I have not gotten in other internships before that Centene has allowed me to do.
I think the signature project is an excellent example of that. It's something I get to work on and show my progress and show how I'm making an impact.
When you're in a position like this one at Centene, the work that you're doing is actually impacting real people.
I would definitely encourage people to look to Centene for an internship.
It's really cool. It's a really awesome opportunity. You see that in the resources that are available, the amount of expertise and diversity within the company.
You're able to learn, progress, build relationships, and truly grow as an individual throughout your whole tenure at Centene.
And knowing what role I play into the bigger picture helps me bring my best self to the table.
And so anything I do at Centene, I'll probably use for the rest of my life.
It really is your purpose at work.